So in today's video, I'll show you how to connect an SSD to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, most modern day SSDs come with a USB-C cable, just like this one. And all you have to do is simply connect this USB-C end to your USB-C charging port, just like that. And as you can see, it has been detected. And momentarily you should see a notification confirming that it has been connected. Now you can tap here and select how you want to open the files using which file manager app, or you can simply go into the file manager itself and see OTG and allocations, and now you'll be asked to give permissions for this SSD to allow access to your phone. So tap on allow, and now you should be able to see all the files in your SSD, which you can copy and move to and from the SSD to your phone. Now, once you're done, you can simply swipe down from the top there and tap on eject to safely remove the SSD from your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. That's basically how to connect an SSD to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.